The Pentagon is racing towards a future dominated by AI. This is not science fiction, it is the reality of modern warfare. Recent breakthroughs in AI are reshaping the battlefield at an unprecedented pace. We are witnessing the dawn of a new military era. AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to research labs. It is being integrated into weapons systems right now. This has profound implications for global security. The US military is investing heavily in AI-powered drones, ships and submarines. These autonomous systems promise to revolutionize warfare. The Pentagon's focus on AI is driven by a number of factors. Adversaries like China and Russia are rapidly developing their own AI capabilities. The US is determined to maintain its military edge in this new technological race. AI also offers the potential to reduce casualties and increase efficiency on the battlefield. This is a key consideration for military planners. One of the most significant developments in AI warfare is the rise of swarm drones. These small network drones can overwhelm enemy defenses. They do this by working together in coordinated attacks. Imagine a swarm of hundreds, even thousands of these drones. They could cripple enemy warships and aircraft carriers. The US Navy has been at the forefront of developing swarm drone technology. In recent exercises like Unitas, the Navy has demonstrated the potential of these systems. During these exercises, swarms of drones operated alongside traditional warships. They carried out a range of missions, from intelligence gathering to simulated attacks. The development of swarm drone technology has sparked a debate about the future of naval warfare. Some analysts believe that swarms of cheap, expendable drones could render large, expensive warships obsolete. Others argue that warships will continue to play a vital role in naval operations. They point to the fact that drones have limitations. They are vulnerable to electronic warfare and can be easily shot down. The Pentagon's Replicator initiative is a clear sign of the US military's commitment to AI. Announced in 2023, this ambitious program aims to field thousands of AI-powered drones and other autonomous systems within the next 2 years. The goal is to counter China's growing military might. The Replicator initiative has been met with a mixture of excitement and apprehension. Proponents argue that it is essential for deterring Chinese aggression. They believe that the US must maintain its technological superiority. Critics, however, warn that the program could lead to a dangerous new arms race. They fear that it could increase the risk of accidental conflict. The Replicator initiative is a testament to the transformative potential of AI. It also highlights the ethical dilemmas posed by autonomous weapons systems. The development and deployment of such systems raises profound questions about the future of warfare. These questions demand careful consideration from policymakers, military leaders, and the public alike. The impact of AI on naval warfare extends beyond drones. The US Navy is also developing autonomous ships and submarines. These unmanned vessels could revolutionize naval operations, just as drones are poised to do in the air. Imagine a fleet of robotic warships patrolling the Pacific. They could operate for extended periods without human crews, reducing the risk to sailors. Autonomous ships and submarines offer several advantages over their manned counterparts. They can be deployed to more dangerous areas. They're not limited by the physical needs of human crews. This means they can stay at sea longer and endure harsher conditions. However, the development of autonomous ships and submarines also raises technical and ethical challenges. Ensuring the reliability and safety of these systems is paramount. There are also concerns about the potential for accidental escalation if autonomous systems are involved in confrontations with adversaries. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine provides a stark illustration of AI's growing role in warfare. Russia has deployed a range of unmanned systems in its operations. These include drones for reconnaissance, targeting, and even direct attacks. These drones have proven to be effective tools in Russia's hybrid warfare strategy. The use of drones in the Ukraine conflict highlights the asymmetric nature of modern warfare. Drones have empowered less technologically advanced militaries, like Russia's, to challenge more powerful adversaries. This has significant implications for international security. The conflict in Ukraine serves as a real-world testing ground for AI-powered weapons systems. Both sides are gaining valuable experience in their use. This experience will undoubtedly shape the future development and deployment of these technologies. China is investing heavily in AI and sees it as a key to achieving its military ambitions. The country is developing a wide range of AI-powered systems. These include drones, autonomous ships, and sophisticated cyber weapons. China's growing AI capabilities pose a direct challenge to US naval dominance in the Pacific. China's military strategy centers on denying the US Navy access to key areas in the Pacific. They plan to achieve this through a combination of traditional naval power and advanced technologies, including AI. China's development of anti-ship ballistic missiles guided by AI is particularly concerning for US military planners. The US and China are locked in a technological race for AI supremacy. This competition has the potential to reshape the balance of power in the Pacific and beyond. The stakes are high, and the outcome of this race will have profound implications for global security. The rapid development of AI in warfare raises profound ethical questions. One of the most pressing concerns is the development of fully autonomous weapons systems. These killer robots would be able to select and engage targets without human intervention. This prospect has alarmed many experts who warn of the dangers of taking humans out of the loop. Critics of autonomous weapons systems argue that they cross a moral red line. They believe that machines should never be given the power to decide who lives or dies. They also point out the risk of accidental escalation and unintended consequences if these systems malfunction or are hacked. The debate over autonomous weapons systems is likely to intensify in the coming years. As AI technology continues to advance, the pressure to develop these systems will grow. International cooperation and regulation will be essential to prevent a future where machines have the power to start wars. The international community is grappling with the implications of AI in warfare. There is growing recognition of the need for international norms and agreements to govern the development and use of these technologies. However, progress in this area has been slow. This is due in part to the difficulty of reaching consensus among states with different interests and perspectives. Some experts have called for a preemptive ban on autonomous weapons systems. They argue that the risks posed by these systems are simply too great. Others believe that a ban is unrealistic. They advocate for a more nuanced approach that focuses on regulating the use of AI in warfare rather than banning it outright. The development of international norms for AI in warfare will be a complex and challenging process. However, it is essential for ensuring that these powerful technologies are used responsibly. Failure to do so could have catastrophic consequences for humanity. The future of warfare is inextricably linked to the development of AI. As we have seen, AI is transforming the battlefield in profound ways. It is essential that we approach this new era of warfare with a sense of urgency and responsibility. We must engage in a global dialogue about the ethical implications of AI in warfare. The stakes are too high to allow a new arms race to unfold unchecked. We must prioritize diplomacy, arms control, and international cooperation. The future of humanity may depend on it. The rapid pace of technological change can be overwhelming. However, we must not shy away from the challenges posed by AI. We must confront these challenges head-on with wisdom, courage, and a commitment to building a more peaceful and just world.